Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be decorating my mantle once again for the springtime. So if you would like to see how I'm decorating it, then I hope you keep watching. So I'm going to be using the last of these faux roses. These are the ones that I've used in the wedding decor and also in my spring front doors. The other thing I like to do is match the doors to the inside. So with the last box of roses, or this last little bunch, I'm going to create something to hang from my mantle up here. For Christmas, I put in some push pins going all across the top. They are evenly spaced out. So I'm going to use that same idea and just use these roses to hang down from every other push pin that's up there. I'm going to attach a small piece of Velcro. It's a sticky piece of Velcro. I'm going to put the rough side of the Velcro on the wall up there, and then I'm going to put the soft side on one of these roses. And then each rose is going to have a string of roses attached. So I'll stretch this out, and then I will attach this to another rose, and then I'll stretch that other stem out, attach the next rose to each subsequent rose. And then I'll put the soft piece of the Velcro, stick it right to the back of here, and then attach it up to the top of the push pin where the other piece of Velcro will be. So that's the way I'm going to decorate. I'm going to just show you a quick close-up of the roses. In my previous video, someone mentioned that they wanted to see the roses up close, and I guess I didn't share close enough. So I'm just going to show you how these look. They're very, very pretty. These are the only colors I have, but if you check the link below, if you go to Amazon, you'll be able to see that there are a variety of these roses by the same manufacturer, and they're very nice. They're soft. They look almost like they could look real in whatever certain settings. Here's the stem. It's just a wire stem. And again, they are linked below in case you want to check them out. I'm going to just go ahead and remove all of this here and then add the string of roses, and then I'll show you how everything looks when it's all done. And this here is a homemade piece, so if you want to see how I made this piece of art, I will link it below as well as up in the cards, so you can take a look at that video when you get a chance. Also, these reindeer were a Dollar Tree DIY that I made a while back, and I will link that video below as well.